My greetings to everyone. Thank you, Mr. Hoffman, for the introduction. Let me start our discussion by briefly describing how we have integrated ecosystem-based adaptation for communities with climate-smart conservation for CMS wildlife populations. Many rural communities in Central Asia have traditionally relied on natural pastures to provide forage for livestock. Lacking other economic opportunities, these pastures become overgrazed, compounding the effects of accelerated climate change in these high-altitude areas. This sole reliance on livestock also increases the vulnerability of the local communities to climatic shocks. Ecosystem-based adaptation is an approach that prioritizes natural processes and ecosystem to assist communities in adapting their activities to negative effects of climate change and to adapt their activities, right? In Kyrgyzstan, the Ilbers Foundation utilizes EBA to diversify local incomes and make them more sustainable. This enhances resilience of both ecosystem and communities. So in Kyrgyzstan, through the collection of climate data and economic assessments, we have collaboratively developed EBA interventions in the form of beekeeping, small-scale fruit plantations, and ecotourism. Each of these interventions has been coupled with community-based conservancies. Here, you can see our work with the Beekeepers Association in Belaldi. Honey is harvested and sold to generate additional income, but bees are main important pollinators of flowers and crops, which can benefit broader ecosystem and the surrounding agriculture. As beekeeping and the other sources of income like small-scale fruit plantations and the ecotourism can generate profits, it was agreed that up to 30% of these profits would be used to set up a local environmental conservation fund. One of these areas, Tashlurun, which is also considered another effective area-based conservation measure, rangers use this conservation fund to help diversify, to help combat illegal poaching, utilizing patrols, camera traps, and the smart software. These efforts not only help monitor wildlife, but it can also help us understand climate change impacts to wildlife. So the COMCA project has helped us even to collect even more data to assess climate threats to wildlife. Species vulnerability assessments were completed alongside climate crowd survey to capture communities' knowledge and their perception of climate change impacts to wildlife. Impacts reported by the communities shows that rate shifts, increase in diseases, reduction in abundance, and increased human-wildlife conflicts. So management plans for conventional protected areas are also benefiting. The Naren State Nature Reserve and also the Khanten State Nature Park include these climate adaptations actions, such as enhancing awareness of the park staff to what climate change is and how it will affect their territories. Thank you for your attention.